It's cooking time with C. Doesn't that fish and shrimps looks good? It was delicious. So let's get started. So I'm showing you the fish I brought. I'm from in Aruba, and this is the fish I brought. It was frozen, so it was big pieces, and I decided to cut them in half. It was three big pieces. So I just washed them, and I forgot to bring my low carb flour. So when in the market, I saw the Zanarans, and I'm like, let's make this happen. And I put it in a bag because I like to. That's how I bread my fish. I'm old school. I still put it in the bag. Sometimes I put it in a container. So we are breading the fish. I added a little bit of garlic powder, a little onion powder, a little salt and pepper. You know my trio plus one. Had to add that in. I bring that with me. And I'm packing it down. Even though the box instructions had you pre-bread it twice with egg or milk, I don't do all that with my breading. I usually just dust it with the flour and I fry it up. But to each his own, you do what makes you happy. I will also show you the instructions on the back of the box if you do choose to follow the instructions. But again, I do it my own little way. But this is how I make do for wherever I'm at. I adapt. I forgot my low carb flour, so I went to the market and I got the shrimp fried. It was actually pretty good. It's season, like I say, I like to normally keep as low carb as possible, but sometimes it doesn't work out and you just make it happen. So I'm just going to like sit back and let you watch as I'm about to fry these up. Okay, fam, let's get to turning. It's that golden brown, and I'm doing my flip, and we're going to drain the ones that are done. The oil stayed on medium. I would say between medium high, but you make sure you're not burning your oil. So don't have your oil too high, but you want a good I would say medium heat. You should be pretty hot, but not overly smoking. Let's just say that. So enjoy as I finish up this fish, and then I'll pop some of the shrimps in there, and then we will be done. And that was a simple fish fry and shrimp fry. I hope you enjoyed. Make it simple. It can be easy to eat, healthy, and not too expensive. Bon appetit.